Hello everyone. In today's video, I would like to introduce you to Time Farm. So Time Farm is a project that's pretty much growing by the day, where you farm, where your farming is based on the seconds that count. So basically, their community is growing. So right now they have about 2.7 million subscribers on their Telegram channel. Although they have more, um, they have more people that are actually on their app farming than they have on their Telegram community. So pretty quickly, in order to do this, there's already a link on the description. So just click that and then to take you to Time Farm, where you can farm based on your seconds. So basically what you're doing is come to Time Farm every 4 hours. I beg your pardon. And then just click on start. So the timer will start, and then 4 hours later you'd come back and click claim and then click on start again. So basically once you start this, they're going to give you double bonus. So for me, I'm claiming 14, I think it's for 14,000 seconds per 4 hours. But for you that are starting, you're going to be claiming double that amount, so it's going to be 28,000 per hour, per 4 hours, I beg your pardon. So right now, for those who have already started farming Time Farm, there's a new update now where you have to upgrade your farming. So come at the top right, click upgrade, and then upgrade from your sand clock to the pendulum clock. So right now I already have about 1.9 million seconds, which is supposed to make me eligible for the regular clock. But I think I have to go in sequence. So I have to upgrade the pendulum clock before going to the regular, before going to the modern, and then ultimately the techno clock. So let me just upgrade that. But for those who are going to be starting newly, you may not need this pendulum clock because you already have this pendulum clock working for you for the next 10 days. So for the next 10 days, it's going to be running just like that. So that's pretty much it. You can do the tasks. The tasks are awesome. They are quite simple. So do these simple tasks and get a whole lot of time farm tokens. So then the wallet is coming soon. There, it's still under development. So that tells you that the project is it's upcoming and it has gotten a lot of people already. So I would encourage every one of you to engage, just be consistent on this, because once it blows, who knows what we're going to get. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Also be sure to invite your friends to claim a few of this. As they farm, you get your own little cut. It's very little though. It's very little. So that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and as always, I'll see you next time.